I'm here to enjoy. I'm not scared.
I only did this for the fun.
They're not even a camp, they are campus. Mr. Morris are the same.
876 Streets, that's what we're doing. Live, do it.
Big up 876 Streets every time.
MP2 modified production class 2. For race 2, Demar Lee was first.
How has the day been for you?
Well, it has been good. Went out in the rain, but like first, it was a good experience. Got a little sliding and stuff. It was a good experience, but we got a second behind Tommy. Second race went out, just stayed behind Tommy and keep the pressure going. And I don't know, he slid off. And I got the pole, so we're going into the third race now, just going to pace and get the win.
Now, who are some of the main contenders in your class?
Well, it's basically Tommy and Nicholas, but Nicholas having some failures now, so he's out, so it's just Tommy right now.
Okay. Now, I know leading up to this meet, when I spoke to you the last time, you said, boy, some issues, but you're here today.
Yes.
And you're winning.
Well, I didn't drive the car all weekend. We're at the trying to sort out the engine. Went to the dyno Saturday night, reached home after 2 and just pack up and come over this morning.
Anybody you want to give a special big up to?
Spoon, pulled down the engine, fit it back up, did everything. And the Moody's have the suspension on point.
Big up.
Big up.
Alright, Demar, looking forward to seeing you in the next race.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.